Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Tesla's Cube, and welcome to AcceleReece's Downhill AcceleJam. All 5 of the new AcceleRacers Silver Series cars and the 3 new main lines from 2024 and 2025 are going to compete head-to-head on a downhill raceway. This will be a gravity-based drag race to see who is the fastest. I'm only using 2 lanes because the finish line of this is like not far enough. So we're doing 2 lanes. Also, it would make the video really short. We have 8 cars to race here today. 5 are Silver Series, 3 are main lines. I'm not gonna race the NFT Diora 2 today because the rubber tires are really bad for racing since it's high friction. And also, this is the only loose one that I have, and I don't plan on getting another one anytime soon because, you know. So this guy is gonna have to watch the action from the sidelines today. Our first matchup is Iridium in lane 1 and Hollowback in lane 2. I'll have Ryan Storm do the countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
And Torquematics in the Hollowback takes the win. Next up, we got the Diora 2 in lane 1 and the Slingshot in lane 2.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, and Diora 2 just barely squeaks out a win. Next up, we have the new Diora 3 versus the old RDO 6.
3, 2, 1, go!
And the Diora 3 takes down the drone. And now we have the ultimate matchup. Vert Wheeler in the Revert versus Galorum in her RD09.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, and Revert just squeaks out the win. Revert is a very heavy casting, so I was expecting this one to do very well. All right, these 4 contenders will move on to round 2 to see who is the fastest modern AcceleRacers casting. For our first race of round 2, the Diora 2 is going to take on its Diora 3 counterpart to settle who's the best Diora.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, the Diora 3 takes out the Diora 2. What an upset. Excuse me, could someone pay security and get that man out of the way? Now we have a Teku versus a Metal Maniac, Revert versus Hollowback.
3, 2, 1, go!
And Reverb takes the win. Or Revert, my bad. That's gonna take some getting used to. And now, it all comes down to this. The final mashup. Best 2 out of 3, the super heavy premium Revert versus the peg warmer mainline Diora 3. These next couple races will prove who is the fastest of the modern AcceleRacers castings. Can Vert Wheeler defeat himself?
3, 2, 1, go!
And Revert will take the first win. The 2 cars are gonna switch lanes. If Revert can win this race as well, he will be crowned as the winner.
3, 2, 1, go!
And Reverb takes the championship. And there you have it, folks. Revert takes the trophy for the fastest modern AcceleRacers casting. Not gonna lie, I kinda saw this result coming since Reverb is metal on metal and is very, very heavy. But in case you wanted to know, there you go. Now you have proof that Revert is the fastest of the bunch. All right, you know what? The curiosity is killing me. I need to see how it stacks up.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, I thought so. This is AcceleReece of Tesla's Cube. Thank you for tuning into this fun little video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys, and peace out.